Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. Looking for the cycle bin in Canva? If you accidentally deleted a design, image, video or file, don't worry. Canva keeps deleted items in the bin for a limited time, and I will show you exactly where to find it. So let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. From the home screen, tap More. Scroll down until you find bin or trash, then tap on it. Inside the bin or trash, you will see different categories such as designs, images, videos, and files. Any item you delete from Canva will usually appear here. Deleted items stay in the bin for 30 days before they are permanently removed from your account. If you want to restore something, simply open the item, then tap Restore to move it back to your account. And if you don't see a deleted file, make sure you are signed into a correct Canva account where the file was originally created. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechChamps, and I will see you in the next video.